Namaste. Most important topic, format of research report. In this mainly these are the subtopics. First one is title, and second one abstract, third one introduction, fourth one method, sixth one results, sixth one discussion, seventh one references. Actually, already we selected the problem, research problem. If you take any problem, suppose a study on the evaluation of 6th class social studies textbook, that is the title, okay? And regarding, we should prepare the abstract. Abstract in the sense, already in previous class, I said to you, actually, which type of methods and which type of hypothesis and which type of areas we selected, and finally what did come outcome, that is all included in abstract. Okay, introduction, which topic or which title we selected. Regarding title, we are the gathering the information related the information that is the introduction. Okay, and method, which method you are selected. If you take survey method or experimental method or historical method or descriptive method or like that, any methods, which method you are selected regarding your title. And after that, results. The researcher, after the completion of the research work, outcome of the research work, that is the results. Result is necessary because it will give further information to do any research works. Okay, and after discussion, in this only which type of topic or problem you are taken, regarding there that topic we can discuss here, that is a previous experience or previous research works, and after that in future further reference, and after present what did done in this work. Okay, that is the discussion. And last one, references. References in the sense, when you are doing research work, in that time which type of books or magazines or already primary sources and secondary sources is necessary to do research work. If you take any research work, in that time which type of sources you are used in the research work, okay, in that time. So for example, magazines or books or any data you are collected from any other sources, these are all under the references. Okay, do you understand?